and you know, when you're clean-hearted, sometimes you take the long way to your destination, innit? But the difference is you have a more solid foundation, bro. You know what I mean?
And you get respect along the way.
You get respect along the way, and eventually, when you keep staying in your lane, people recognize, raw, this guy is actually a real one. So they end up coming back anyway.
Facts.
They end up coming back. I've seen it so many times. People think that, oh, that guy's real, so they're heading that way. They go over there and say, raw, this is just clout, man. They end up coming back round, oh, this guy's the real one. So when you're in your lane, there's no traffic. Because there's certain times I think to myself, run, because I slowed down off the cars and all that. I slowed down off throwing up car images and stuff like that. I said to myself, listen, I want to be able to walk in a room and wear slippers. Serious, bro. And wear slippers and still gain the same respect. I don't want to feel like I have to drive in a Ferrari to a meeting before I get that respect. No, you're going to respect me because of the